Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a sketch effect in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the background paper image. Next, I'll bring in the image of the model and then right-click Convert to Smart Object so we can modify it non-destructively. I'm also going to transform and resize this image so it completely covers my paper. Now I'm going to duplicate the model layer 2 times and rename one of them to original. Next, I'm going to select one of the copies and then click on Filter in the top menu and then select Filter Gallery. From the Sketch dropdown, choose Graphic Pen. Now you can play around with the stroke length and the light-dark balance sliders depending on the look you're going for. You can also change the stroke direction, but I'm going to leave it at right diagonal for this example. Let's pick a value of 15 for stroke length and around 23 for light-dark balance and click OK. Now change the blend mode to color burn so it inherits the colors from the background paper. Since the graphic pen effect is too sharp, I'm also going to add in some blur. Click on Filter in the top menu and choose Gaussian Blur from the Blur dropdown. Depending on the image, you will have to play around with different blur radiuses. For this image, I'm going to select a value of 0.4. Let's also rename this layer to Graphic Pen. If you look closely at the model's image, you'll realize that we lost some of the contour lines when we applied the Graphic Pen effect. To add the contour lines back, select the second copy of our model and from the Adjustments tab, choose Black and White. With the Black and White adjustment and the model copy selected, right-click and Convert to Smart Object. Now we're going to go back to the Filter menu and click on Filter Gallery. This time select Glowing Edges from the Stylize dropdown. I'm going to reduce the edge width to the lowest value and increase the edge brightness. I'm also going to dial up the smoothness all the way up to 15 and then hit OK. To invert the colors, click on Image in the top menu and under Adjustments, select Invert. And just like before, I'm going to change the blending mode for this layer to color burn as well. Let's rename this layer to Glowing Edges. Now, as you can see, our contour lines are back. Let's also re-enable our graphic pen layer. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.